Hey guys, what's up? Hazim here at Nemesis Audio. On today's workshop, we're going to talk about the brand new, unique item from Nemesis Audio, the NA-MR2500X5B. Let's do a real quick unboxing, show you what's in the box, and talk about some of the key features. All right, let's take a look at what's in the box here on the NA-MR2500X5B. First and foremost, got to have the owner's manual. Lots of good information in here. Take the time to read through it, check it out, go from there. You also have a bag with all your goodies in there. So you have your Allen wrench and additional screws for mounting as well. Allen wrench you're going to use to access the control panel that's behind a metal plate with a rubber gasket for its IP67 waterproof certification. And now to the star of the show. Look at this bad boy. Wow, that thing's sweet. Brushed aluminum black, laser engraved logo. It's beautiful on display boards, in the vehicle, wherever you may choose to mount this thing. Okay, it is IP67 certified. You got your pigtails fixed, completely sealed off from the elements, RCAs as well. Here's that panel I was talking to you about. So this here is also your LED indicator, so to speak. So the entire white outline, the rubber gasket, if you will, lights up a beautiful indigo blue. Okay, remove those 5 screws. They'll give you access to your crossover settings, gain, channel selection, and so forth. Next, I want to highlight one of the primary feature of this line of Nemesis Power Sports Marine Amplifier. It is built-in Bluetooth. So this is all you'll need to connect in the vehicle for audio playback. Make sure you're powered up through your power connections. You can use the built-in, the speaker leads here. You have your RCAs as well, and pair up to your smartphone device and stream all of your music content hands-free up to 100 meters in range. So it's extreme long-range connectivity, built-in Power Sports IP67 Bluetooth amplifier from Nemesis Audio. Power specs at a 4-ohm load. They are 105 watts by 4, and the sub output's going to give you 320 watts. That's right. This is a Bluetooth Power Sports 5-channel amplifier from Nemesis Audio. And it's very evident how big this thing is. Here's my hand right here for reference. I mean, pretty much that's what you're looking at right there. So pretty sweet. If you want it at a 2-ohm load, which it does support, you're looking at 175 watts per channel, and the sub output will be 550 watts. And this is all rated power, not peak power. So if you want peak power, look on the box, look in the manual, and go from there. But check this out. Full solution, single platform, 5-channel Bluetooth offering from Nemesis Audio. So there you have it, guys. The NA-MR2500X5B from Nemesis Audio. Again, just to paraphrase, 5-channel, built-in Bluetooth, IP67 certification. For more information on this bad boy and all of our products at Nemesis Audio, please visit nemesisaudio.com.